Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, interpreting a tree diagram. So here we have a class that's going to choose a president, vice president, and a treasurer. 3 people are running for president. We got Anne, Maria, and Linda. We have 2 students running for vice president who are John and Bob, and 2 students running for treasurer, Jessica and Amanda. Seems like a very suburban white school. All right, so we got the possible outcomes here. So we got our 3 different presidents. Regardless of the president, they don't have running mates or anything like that. So it could be either vice president and any, or either, I guess, since there's really 2, treasurer. So it could be Anne, then John, then Jessica, or Anne, then Bob, then Jessica, and John, Amanda, Maria, Bob, Jessica, whatever, right? And they're all listed out here if you want to see them in that sample space setup as opposed to the tree diagram. So when we look down on our question down here, how many possible outcomes are there? We can either look at all the breakdowns from the outcomes, or we can just look at how many individual ones are from our last part of our branch. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same number over there. So 12 total outcomes. How many outcomes have both John and Amanda? Okay, so this is a little bit weird because John and Amanda are from the vice president and treasurer spots. So we're not starting from the very beginning with the presidents, which is a little bit odd. So it's a little bit trickier to figure out. So you can either use the tree diagram and figure out how many times John and Amanda comes up, or this one might be easier to look at the outcome kind of breakdown here. So we're looking for John and Amanda. So here we have John, but that's not Amanda. Here's 1. We have John and Amanda there. We got another John and Amanda right there, and 1 more down here for a total of 3. How many outcomes do not, now be very careful with these nots, how many outcomes do not have Anne being chosen? So I'm just looking for how many do not involve Anne. Since Anne is one of our presidential candidates, I think this one's actually easier from here because I can basically knock off Anne's entire top branch there and just count how many options are from the other branches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also go over here and check how many don't have Anne's name as well, if you feel so inclined.